In this video, I'll show you how you can fix USB mouse keeps disconnecting. Now the first thing is you want to search for Device Manager. Then you want to open up the Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Now in here you should have one or multiple USB things. You want to find the root hub, and then you want to go Properties, Power Management, and you want to disable this one. So I have it enabled and I don't have the problem, but you want to disable this one if you have the problem. So just do this and press OK. Now, if you have others that you can do this for, you also want to do it on those. But some of these you cannot do it on, so don't mess with them. But for the ones that you have, you want to do it. You want to untick this one here. Now, once you've unticked that, what you want to do is you want to try and see if it works. And if it's still not working, you want to try and unplug it and just plug it back into your PC. If that doesn't work, try and unplug it and plug it into another USB port. Usually you have more than one USB port, so maybe the port is broken. But if that still doesn't work, another thing you can do is you can come here and search for Power Plan, open it up, go to Change Advanced Power Settings, find the USB settings, USB Selective, and this one you want to make sure that you disable this one. So just click here and press Disable, Apply, OK. After that it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as that helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.